Hello Cancerians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be having a look as to what's expected in the month of June for you. And as these are general readings, they may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies of the person or the situation you're dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if the reading doesn't resonate with you, please check your moon sign also. And for the personal readings, the description is given in the description box below. The link is given in the description box below. Okay, so let's get started. Let's see what are the messages for Cancerians for this month. So Cancerians, you have the Seven of Pentacles, the Judgment, the Nine of Cups, the Four of Pentacles, Ace of Cups, the King of Cups, the Tower, Knight of Cups, and the Ten of Swords. With the Queen of Wands, King of Wands, and the Knight of Wands. Okay, so many wands coming up. Okay, so Cancerians, what I feel here is there is something you have invested in and now you are just waiting for the results for it to show up. Okay, so you've invested in a situation here or in a relationship, you've invested and it has started taking its sprouts, you can say, or it has just started growing. The whatever your investment was, wherever you invested in this relationship, it just started showing up. Okay, so things are slowly and steadily growing in this relationship. Okay, and with the Judgment and the Nine of Cups, what I feel here is that you really need to make a decision over it. It is something you have invested in and you are just wishing and praying that it flourishes, it shows it results, and it is your dream come true. You really want some wish fulfillment in this and you will get it. So basically what it is a relationship here in which you are slowly and steadily investing. Okay, you're totally invested in it and you're totally focused on it. Okay, and you really want it to show results, you really want it to blossom. Okay, and that is what you are expecting, you're praying and wishing that for it to come true. Okay, and it is being granted, and once this wish comes true, you are feeling so escalated, you are very happy about it, and you really do not want to share this happiness with others. So what I feel here is there is a wish coming true, you are feeling very happy, you are totally elated out here. And because whatever you had put your investment in, the person you invested in, this person is perhaps showing up. That's what I feel. You want this to happen, you really want this to happen, and through the Nine of Cups your wish is coming true. But with the Four of Pentacles here, what I feel is it is something which is really close to your heart. You really do not want to share this happiness with others. It is something very precious to you. Maybe you want to keep it a secret from others, or you're so overwhelmed by this wish fulfillment that it's like you're just treasuring it so much that you really don't want anybody to sort of it's like it's such a precious thing for you. It's such a treasure. That feeling itself is such a treasure that you really don't want to spoil it, and that is why you're just holding it tight. You really do not want to share it with anyone. Okay, it's something like that. And it's one more thing can be there, that maybe you have not even shown it exactly to the person concerned, though you want it to come true, but perhaps you are not showing it to the person concerned. Okay, but with the Ace of Cups here and the following it with the King of Cups, what I feel here is you are definitely ready to open up. You want a new beginning with this person. There are a lot of emotions in your heart for this person. You really want to open up. It's like something really very precious for you. It's something which you really want to happen. Okay, and you really want a new beginning with this person. There are a lot of emotions, and though you are being emotionally controlled, what I feel here is the amount of emotions you feel for this person, you are not even showing that to the person concerned. It is just a small token which you may be showing, a small amount of love you may be showing him or her, but you are definitely ready to open up. You are wanting a new beginning with this person. Okay, but somehow what I'm getting here is that even if they are showing up, you are not talking about your feelings. That's what I feel. And I don't feel that they are also showing up to that much extent. But thing is, it's like it's in the air. It's in the air. Things are there. You really want it to happen. It's very close to your heart. You're very emotional about it, and you don't even know that will they show up or not. It can be that also. Uh, Show up in that way as you want. It's not that you know that things are happening. You know, within deep within the surface there is love. You know, the undercurrents of love are there. Okay, but the thing is, it's your dream come true. You want it to happen. You're ready for a new beginning, but still you are holding it close to your heart. You're not even telling it to the person concerned. Okay, and maybe they are also not opening up. It can be that, as far as I feel over here. But with the Tower and the Knight of Cups, somehow what I feel is that you may expect the unexpected. This person may suddenly show up at your door. This person may suddenly show up literally in your life. Okay, with the Tower and the Knight of Cups, what I feel here is the King of Cups being here. Definitely, this person, you can expect this person to show up. Okay, it's like they may come and show up, or they when you are not expecting them. It can be that, maybe, or maybe that you are not expecting them to show so much of love. It can be that also. With the Ten of Swords being there, what I feel is there is something which is coming to an end here, and to me it feels like a cycle which you may have been dealing at some point in time, which is, to me, looks about some sort of self-worth. It was something which was related to feeling good about yourself. That's what I feel. And now you are ending the past, and you are dealing with a fresh situation. You're dealing with a new love here. That's what I feel. And once this person shows up, you feel so liberated and happy, and you feel as if whatever the past you were dealing with, it's coming to an end. And with the Queen of Swords, the Knight of Wands, and the King of Wands, there is a lot of passion over here. The Queen of Wands, the King of Wands, and the Knight of Wands, there is a lot of passion over here which is igniting both of you. It's totally a lot of passion, a lot of love in this situation, a lot of chemistry is there. It's all super hot. Everything is very good, and you are ending a cycle in your life. You're definitely ending something which was not serving you. You are definitely ending something which is uh, sort of how to put it, like before this person came, maybe you were dealing with something. Okay, maybe you were dealing with tough times before this person entered your life. That cycle perhaps is coming to an end. That's what I feel. Let's see what is the message from this deck. The King of Diamonds. So maybe again, that's what I feel. Maybe this person is a spiritual person. Maybe this person is the person who is very wise, very controlled, not being impulsive, not showing everything immediately. Can be that. And maybe this is a very spiritual person. Let's see what is the guidance from the angels. Ten of Thought. The situation that has been troubling you, just see, that's what I was saying with the Ten of Swords here. The situation that has been troubling you has come to an end, and you can breathe a sigh of relief. With the challenging times behind you, you can now move on. It is important to let go fully at this junction. Someone in your life may now be free of his or her addictions or codependency issues. So this is a very important message. That's what I was saying, that whatever you were dealing with at some point in time in your life, that cycle is over. Whatever was troubling you, that cycle is over, and you are definitely heading towards a new beginning, at least wanting that, towards a new beginning in your life. So that's all I have for you, Cancerians. Hope it helps. Bye. Thank you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.